Hello, this is John Harbour from Exclusive Scottish Visits, and I'm just in Edinburgh today. Very early in the morning, so probably my Antipodean friends will be watching this, if nobody else. And this is just showing the skyline of Edinburgh from Edinburgh Castle, the Esplinade. I'll just spin round very slowly and let you see the view you get from Edinburgh Castle Esplinade. It's the Pentland Hills over there. And then just as I spin round, the castle comes into view. And there it is. Hi Nicole again, it's good to see you. I'm out very early this morning. I've got some training on. I actually am a mentor to new Blue Badge guides. And I'm doing some training, but I'm out here early. So Edinburgh Castle is standing just before me. Sorry about the work that's going on here, but you don't often get Edinburgh Castle to yourself with nobody actually here in the morning. I'm just going to spin round and let you see what my view is of Edinburgh. This is the Esplinade, the lead up to Edinburgh Castle, and I'm now looking right across the Esplinade, and in the distance you might just be able to make out the River Forth. And this comes round all the way, and that's leading all the way down the Royal Mile down to Holyrood Palace. I'll spin all the way around. That spire is St John's Church. It's now the hub, so if you're coming to the festival, for example, you get your tickets at the hub. As I come round again into the sun, I'm afraid, but that hill is Arthur's Seat. So this is Edinburgh, the skyline from Edinburgh Castle. And I'll maybe just walk a wee bit closer to the castle to let you see that as well. So I'm just going to take a little walk up towards the castle itself and let you see a few things. You can see the battlements there. See where the gun ports are. There, 18th century, against the Jacobites who tried to take the castle back in the 1745, I think it was. And just coming up, you don't often get it like this because of COVID, of course, there's nobody around, and it is early in the morning. And this is the entry to the castle. Now just look at that. On the left-hand side, you've got Robert the Bruce. And on the right-hand side, you've got William Wallace. And then, of course, the red rampant lion above the gateway there, which is the royal standard for Scotland. Underneath is, in Latin, Nemo me impune licessit. It basically means you won't touch me with impunity. Or, in other words, touch me and you'll get the same back, but worse. This is the entrance to Edinburgh Castle. As I say, you don't often get this on a day, and I'll just spin round again and let you see what I'm looking at. That's would have been the moat, a dry moat, of course. There's one of the standards, and then looking south, albeit into the sun, you're looking all the way down the road there, and that's down towards Holyrood Palace. So as I come back, I'll just let you see the castle again. This fourth part, the part we're looking at immediately, looks like slightly newer stone, was actually built in the 19th century, more as a sort of nice front to the castle. Whereas if you look above the fourth part, you can see the older stone of the original castle. And there's some of the stone in the base of the castle dating to about 12th century, but most of the buildings above are 15th, 16th, 17th, and even, 17th century. So there you go, Edinburgh Castle, first thing in the morning. I'm now going to go back to my coffee and croissant that I've got sitting beside the wall. And you can just see the Scottish flag, the saltire flying up there. The blue flag with the white cross, that's the saltire, and that's the flag of Scotland. And you can see the battlements there as well. So there you go. Well, I hope wherever you are, you're having a lovely time. It is very early in the morning. Most of my American friends won't see this till later on because they'll be in bed at the moment. But there you go, in all its glory, Edinburgh Castle. This will be featured in my Castles 2 virtual tour coming up within the next month or so. This Friday, Saturday, of course, I've got my Outlander 2. And look forward to seeing you there, Nicole. Anyway, take care, guys. Edinburgh, early in the morning. Let you see the skyline once more. And then I'll leave you to get on with your breakfast or whatever you're doing. But lovely to see you all here. Bye for now.